Kajingalang kunhun menteri ke Sorkar MDA hak kalai puai trik risau arjar pulai kalarai ban Pynbeit thamai ya rukom thung hak tnad pulit bat officer pulit. Habakran cikilat pathai kubor menteri ke tnad PHE jong Sorkar Jylla ringkat uba Cyril Dingdo sekretari ke tnad kampo yeng kilaong. Baka Sorkar kalawanra ya ki rule na kabenta ban penlong ki departmental examination arjar arpulai na kabenta ki officer IPS lani Indian Police Service bat kumjuru ika rukom menthung ki pulit hak Jylla.
That is rule for conduct of departmental examination 2023 for officers of the Indian Police Services, that is IPS, and that file number is file number SPL.162/2017. Actually, for the departmental examinations for IPS was conducted by UPSC for promotions. Now it will be conducted by MPSC here in the state. There is revised uniform guidelines for recruitment of police personnel in Meghalaya Police. This is file number SPL.231/2023.
This is the recruitment for all ranks of police, including sub-inspectors, armed branch constables and unarmed branch constables, including firemen and MPRO operators. These are the rules which relate to the Central Recruitment Board, which conducts the recruitment for the police force. We had seen in the past that these recruitment would take quite a long time because of the various rules. So we have tried to streamline the rules so that we can ensure that the recruitment process is completed efficiently, transparently, in the fastest possible time. So these rules are quite a few, but just to summarize, these rules are to ensure that the recruitment process for sub-inspectors, for constables, both AB and UB, will be conducted efficiently and taking the least possible time. So basically, after these rules are now amended, it will be notified, and then once it's notified, the advertisement will be called for these vacancies, approximately 2,500. Actual numbers will be dependent on the advertisement. And then the CRB will try and ensure that the recruitment is conducted and completed at the earliest possible time.
Congrats, Kyrwoh. We have a check up and
I not say Atiar.
yeah,
Gila banit la syam tayoru. Sala you dari Islam kendian.
Islam kendian. PE takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau ke badan kamban letas ya ke kemisyua bandap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em ka bakai ka bakya bat Islam.
Dor jong kapor.
HIV control.
Patas HIV ya lede haka bor ba pilit check up ning bang haba armet.